Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that this is our online English language class, and today we are going to do a new topic, that is reading comprehension. Now, children, for this you have for understanding this comprehension part, you have to listen to the video very carefully. Is that clear? Because this is a very new concept for you all, and it will come in your exams and it will contain 5 marks. It will be of 5 marks, so please listen to it very carefully. Is that clear, children? Now, what is a reading comprehension, children? First of all, you should know that what is a comprehension. Now, children, in exams you will be given a small paragraph, a very small paragraph. As you can see on your screen, in black color I have written a small paragraph. This is a kind of a short, very short story, or you can say a paragraph in which you will come to know about what is happening in that paragraph. Okay, आपको एक छोटा सा पैराग्राफ दिया जाएगा और उसमें या तो एक छोटी सी, बहुत छोटी सी स्टोरी होगी, या फिर कुछ भी उसमें एक ऐसा चीज़ होगा जो आपको पता चलेगा कि हाँ, इसमें क्या चीज़ हो रही है. ओके, सो इन दिस पैराग्राफ it is about two kids. Okay, one is Jonas, and Jonas is a boy and he is going for apple picking with his sister Maria. Okay, and in this paragraph you will come to know that why they were going for picking apples and where they were going to pick for picking apples. Okay, and in the last, what did they do? So you will be given a very short paragraph. Any paragraph you will be given in the exam, and when you will read that paragraph, आपको वो उस पैराग्राफ को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है, समझना है, और उसके बाद जो आपको नीचे क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे उनको आंसर करना है. Is that clear? So there will be 5 marks for this reading comprehension part. Is that clear? You all understood that what is reading comprehension? Again I am telling you that in reading comprehension you will get a small paragraph in which you have to, first of all, you will read that paragraph thoroughly, and then you will answer the questions below which are given. Okay, and they should be correct. Is that clear? You will get all the answers from the paragraph. आपको कहीं और से आंसर्स लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो जो भी क्वेश्चन दिया होगा उसका आंसर आपके इस पैराग्राफ के अंदर ही होता है. Is that clear? Now, listen to the paragraph very clearly and carefully. Jonas is going apple picking with his sister Maria. Okay, Jonas एक लड़का है जो एप्पल पिकिंग करने के लिए, एप्पल्स पिक करने के लिए अपनी सिस्टर मारिया के साथ जा रहा है. दे आर गोइंग टू द एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड नियर देयर हाउस. अब वो कहाँ पे एप्पल पिक करने जा रहे हैं? दोनों एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड में, एप्पल के बाग में. ओके, जो कि कहाँ है? नियर देयर हाउस, उनके घर के पास है. दे नीड टू पिक 12 एप्पल्स. अब उनको कितने एप्पल्स उठाने हैं? दे नीड टू पिक 12 एप्पल्स. उनको 12 एप्पल्स उठाने हैं. Their mom is going to use the apples to make a big apple pie. अब उनकी मम्मा को वो एप्पल्स क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि उनको एक बड़ा सा एप्पल पाई बनाना है. ओके, At the orchard, Jonas picked 9 apples and Maria picked 3. अब जब वो ऑर्चर्ड में पहुंच गए एप्पल्स के, तो उन्होंने कितने कितने एप्पल्स उठाए? जॉनस ने 9 एप्पल्स उठाए एंड मारिया ने 3 एप्पल्स उठाए. इज दैट क्लियर? यू शुड रिमेंबर व्हाट इज रिटन इन द पैराग्राफ. इज दैट क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट लाइन इज दे हैड अ ग्रेट डे टुगेदर. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा दिन साथ में स्पेंड किया. नाउ दे कांट वेट टू एंजॉय देयर पाई. अब जब वो अपने एप्पल्स लेकर के घर आ गए तो अब उनसे वेट नहीं हो रहा अपना पाए खाने के लिए. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ अगेन आई एम रीडिंग दिस पैराग्राफ, बिकॉज if you are not able to understand paragraph once, then you can read it twice, thrice and many more times. Okay, whenever you are answering the question and if you are not able to answer, just read the paragraph again and again. अगर आपको कोई आंसर नहीं समझ आ रहा है क्वेश्चन का कि कैसे लिखना है, तो आपको वो पैराग्राफ बार बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Is that clear? So again I am repeating. Jonas is going apple picking with his sister Maria. They are going to the apple orchard near their house. They need to pick 12 apples. Their mom is going to use the apples to make a big apple pie. At the orchard, Jonas picked 9 apples and Maria picked 3. They had a great day together. Now they can't wait to enjoy their pie. Is that clear, children? Now, coming to the first question that contains 2 parts. Okay, first question is containing 2 parts. Take the correct answer. First one is, where is Jonas going? There are 2 options given and you have to take the correct answer. On a vacation या to the apple orchard. तो Jonas कहाँ जा रहा था? Vacation पे जा रहा था या apple orchard में जा रहा था? So the correct answer is apple orchard. So we will put a tick in front of apple orchard. Okay? Now coming to the next part, with whom he is going. अब वो किसके संग जा रहा था apple orchard में? Mom or Maria? So if you are not able to get the answer, you can read the paragraph again, that Jonas is going apple picking with his sister Maria. यानी वो अपनी मॉम के साथ तो नहीं जा रहा था, वो किसके साथ जा रहा था? मारिया अपनी सिस्टर के साथ. तो correct answer is Maria, so we will put a tick in front of Maria. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood what you all have to do. Now coming to the second question, that is write true or false. Okay, now I have given 2 sentences. One is true and one is false. So you have to read the sentence carefully and then you have to check it out from the paragraph. If the sentence is correct, then you will put T for true, and if the sentence is wrong, then you will put F for false. Is that clear? Now coming to the first part, Jonas is going to school. Jonas school जा रहा था. यहाँ से हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Jonas is going apple picking with his sister Maria. They are going to the apple orchard. यानी Jonas school तो नहीं जा रहा था. So this is wrong sentence. Okay, so we will write F for false. Okay, now coming to the second sentence, Jonas picked 9 apples. क्या Jonas ने 9 apples उठाए थे? Jonas picked 9 apples. Yes, correct. So you will write true here. Okay, we will write T for true. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood what you all have to do. Any question which is given with this comprehension, you can answer by reading the comprehension passage very carefully. You will. The most important thing in comprehension is that you have to read the paragraph very very carefully. Okay, सबसे ज़रूरी इम्पॉर्टेंट बात कॉम्प्रीहेंशन की यही है कि आपको जो पैराग्राफ दिया गया है कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का, उसको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज राइट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग. नाउ आई हैव गिवन 2 words, ओके, एंड यू हैव टू राइट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड. नियर का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? फार. FAR, far. Night का opposite day. Is that clear? So you will write near का opposite far and night का opposite day. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood what all you have to do in comprehension, reading comprehension. When you will get a reading comprehension in your exam, first of all, the most important thing that you will do is that you will read the comprehension 1 or twice. 2 times at least you have to read the comprehension so that you will come to know that what is the paragraph about. वो किस चीज़ के बारे में बात हो रही है उस पैराग्राफ के अंदर, वो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. एटलीस्ट आपको 2 बार इस पैराग्राफ को पढ़ना है. ओके, उसके बाद आपको उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बट एटलीस्ट 2-3 क्वेश्चंस आपको वहाँ पे दिए होंगे जिसको आपको पढ़ के उनको आंसर करना है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? सो वो आंसर्स आप कैसे करोगे? पढ़ोगे पहले क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से, और आंसर आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आपको पैराग्राफ अच्छे से आपने पढ़ा होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? सो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी, very scoring thing, so please do it very carefully. Again I am repeating, Jonas is going apple picking with his sister Maria. They are going to the apple orchard near the house. They need to pick 12 apples. Their mom is going to use the apples to make a big apple pie. At the orchard, Jonas picked 9 apples and Maria picked 3. They had a great day together. Now they can't wait to enjoy their pie. Is that clear? Now first question is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer में I have given two parts, A and B. Okay, so the first part is where is Jonas going? Jonas कहाँ जा रहा है? Two options है, on a vacation या on to the apple orchard. तो जॉनस कहाँ जा रहा था? एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड में. सो वी विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विद whom ही वॉज गोइंग. वो किसके साथ एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड जा रहा था? सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज मॉम और विद मारिया. So he was going with his sister Maria. So the correct answer is Maria. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of this word. Is that clear? Now coming to the next question, that is right, true or false. First sentence for true false is Jonas is going to school. Is it true or false? Jonas कहाँ जा रहा था? Apple orchard जा रहा था, school नहीं जा रहा था. तो this is false. Okay. Then the second sentence is Jonas picked 9 apples. Jonas ने 9 apples उठाए थे. Yes, it is written here also. So it is correct statement. So we will write true. Is that clear? Now coming to the third part, that is write the opposite words for the following. 2 words I have given, उनका opposite आपको लिखना है. First word is near, उसका opposite far. Second word is night, उसका opposite day. Is that clear? So this is all what you have to do in reading comprehension. This is very easy and scoring. Okay, so with this video children, I will give you an assignment, and in that assignment I will write the whole paragraph and I will give you the questions with answers. But remember, in the exam you will get another comprehension passage, so don't think that the same passage will come in the exam. In the exam you will get another new passage. Okay, but you should know how to do, so that's why I have given you an example in this video. So this way you will be getting the reading comprehension passage, and what you have to do is, first of all you have to read the passage, and then you have to solve all the questions which are given under it. Is that clear? So till my next video children, I hope you will all complete this work, and remember that this work is to be completed in your English language notebook. रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का काम, ये वाला काम आप किस में करेंगे? इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की नोटबुक में. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेरी और एनी क्वेश्चन, यू कैन आस्क मी इन थ्रू व्हाट्सएप और थ्रू द comment box in the video. Okay, so till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.